Alright, so this is going to be a video on how to edit the checkout in the WooCommerce theme options settings. So going into this tab here, we have some layouts that we can choose from. So this is the default. If we choose the simple, it removes everything except for the checkout page. If we do the focused, it's going to do like a one-page container style. You can choose if you want to make the company name required or optional, as well as the address line 2 field and the phone field. You can choose the privacy policy page, which is right here. So I just chose the privacy policy page, and it's going to add this little blurb down here about the privacy policy with a link to it. You can set a terms and conditions page, and when you do that, you can another blurb here is going to come up. I have read and agreed to the website terms and conditions with a link to that actual page. And you can either set this to the default where it's going to go to the page, which is new tab, or you can set it to a lightbox. And when you set it to a lightbox and click on it, it's just going to open up in the page like this. And you can also, when you select lightbox, disable the agree button, which is going to be, when you click on it, it's going to be down at the bottom of this page. So if I enable it back again, there's another button, I have read and agree. And now they're going to have to click that box to place the order. You can click some other options here, so you can move the email field, which is right here, to the first position above the name. Alright, so, and then the sticky sidebar, this is going to make this checkout form scroll down while you scroll. And then the floating field labels, if you want to get rid of the labels, you can just put them inside of the box. And then right here, you can add some custom sidebar content. So if I just put some text right here, it'll add it to the bottom. Alright, that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you.